First of all, I would like to thank the organizers for inviting me to grace this occasion as the chief guest. And it's a great pleasure for me to have been invited and to share a few words with amongst you all, actually. And I welcome, at the outset, I welcome all the learning partners for the program of PG, Postgraduate Diploma in Management, as well as Management of Business Administrations for another 1 or 2 years, actually. So this is going to be, I would say that this is going to be a journey of transformations in your life, my dear students, or learning partners, actually. Why I say this is going to be a journey of journey of transformation, I forget to address our chief guest, not chief guest, guest of honor, the keynote speaker, Professor Karunaranda, appointed Vice Chancellor of Colombo University as well. He is assuming the duties as the Vice Chancellor on 9th of this month. So, why I say this is going to be a journey of transformations in your life for the rest of the year, for another 1 year or 2 years. Because you are going to transform yourself as from being a practitioner to a professionals. Because this MBA program or PGD program, diploma program, will definitely transform you from being a practitioner to a professionals. So you might wonder what is the difference or distinction between practitioners as well as professionals. There is a delicate distinction between practitioners and professionals. Practitioners do things again and again, over and again and again, over and again and again. However, professionals think and act accordingly. Think wisely and act accordingly, actually. So you have come to these programs, you have enrolled to this program, MBA program or PGD programs as practitioners. You are coming, from different backgrounds, maybe from industries, educational institutions, private institutions, and so on and so forth. And you are coming with you are coming with an experience as practitioners. However, you are going to be molded as shape. You are going to be shaped as professionals here. You are going to be shaped in your thinking as critical thinkers, and of course as decision makers, problem solvers in the future, by our panel of lecturers, by our eminent panel of lecturers in the Faculty of Management. We have got a team of budding, dynamic, eminent professionals who are going to shape your thinking to become as professionals in the rest of your years, for 2 years or 1 year actually, during the course of your studies. So in this journey actually, in this course or journey of transformations for 1 year or 2 years, in which you have enrolled in the program, you are going to expand your capability in terms of skills and in terms of knowledge for 1 year or 2 years actually at these programs. And of course you are going to explore the fascination of management. First, you are going to expand your capability in terms of skills and knowledge. And the second one, you are going to explore the fascination of management. What is management? Everybody knows the fact in the Faculty of Management Commerce. Management means for, man, age, and men. That means management people deals with people's times and of course actions. These are the karmas, or these are the mantras of management actually. So you are going to be, expand and of course explore the fascination of of management during your course of study at this faculty at our university as well. And of course, at the end of the day, you are going to excel at the end of your program. To corroborate or substantiate my point that this is going to be a journey of transformation in your life, the MBA program or the postgraduate diploma in administration program, the point of my argument, and the point is, my point is towards you is the journey of transformation. Has two dimensions. I will corroborate or substantiate with two examples. One is with practical examples. One is, if you look at a bamboo tree, there is a bamboo tree you can find everywhere. If you look at the bamboo tree, it takes almost 5 years to take roots. Bamboo tree takes almost 5 years to take roots. Roots is the basement. It takes 5 years to take roots, bamboo tree. However, once it's done, it will definitely shoot up within a year to the sky, to the top of the sky actually. Once it's done, taking the root within 5 years is done, then it will definitely shoots up to the top of the sky within a year. Right? That is one example. Another example is the apartment, high-rising building. High-rising building that we see in our day-to-day life, in our present context. HTB building that we encounter in Colombo and some other areas actually. For the apartment buildings, the contractor takes almost 2 years, more than 2 years actually, because they are more concerned about the foundations. And they lay the foundations, they take times to lay the foundation for 2 years actually. So once they are done with foundation work for 2 years, and it is a matter of time that they will come up with the huge rise, a huge rise in building, apartment building within a few months or few years actually. So my point within these two examples is that the foundation is very important. The 2 years or 1 year course that you are going to be enrolled in this program is the foundations, the investment. This is going to be an investment for you. This is going to be a foundation for you. You are going to expand your knowledge. You are going to explore the fascination of management. You are going to excel in your feeling at the end of these programs after 2 years of study or 1 year of your study at this program actually. So you are fortunate enough to have enrolled in a program of this nature at Southeastern University. You are fortunate enough not only in terms of course-wise, in terms of expenses, because you have less expenses compared to some other universities. And of course, you have the hassle-free of doing your program here. Now, if you were to go to Colombo University, if you were to go to Jayapura University, you have to spend a lot, and of course, you had to travel a lot. It demands quite a lot of your energy and of course your money and expenses and all. But enrolling at Southeastern University for a program of this nature, involves less expenses and of course less hassle-free environment where you enroll in a program which is very closer to your residences, homes, and enroll in a program and complete your studies. However, this is going to be a rigorous exercise. You are going to be, you may be able to become as entrepreneur, a researcher, after rigorous study of MBA program or postgraduate diploma program here. So it demands quite a lot of your enthusiasm or commitment or dedications for this program, because you can't complete your study overnight. You have to invest your time, you have to dedicate yourself, commit yourself in order to complete this program. So it requires a rigorous commitment, rigorous perseverance, commitment, dedication, and so on and so forth. So at the end of the day, you will definitely become, researcher. You will definitely become an entrepreneur. Because I see that many of the people who have completed successfully the MBA program here have now turned out to be successful entrepreneurs in the society. You see, so you are going to be the entrepreneurs in the futures. You are going to be the researchers. You are going to be the social researchers in the future as well. And you are going to be a successful administrators in the future. You are going to be the professionals in the future. So the future holds upon you, and you will definitely have high quality, highly qualified program at the Faculty of Management and Commerce for the MBA program and postgraduate diploma program here, I presume. Therefore, may you all succeed. May you all succeed in the program that you have enrolled here, and the investment that you have made towards this program will definitely bring you fruits in the future. So therefore, I wish you all the very best for your future and prosperous career ahead. Thank you so much, and thank you very much for the organizers for inviting me to deliver the address today. Thank you very much for the students as well.